Did you know an octopus has 3 hearts?
Or that a frog's tongue can move 7 times faster than a human can blink?
In this video, we're exploring animals from A to Z with some interesting facts you probably didn't know.
A. A for ant. Ant. Ants are super strong. They can carry things that are much bigger and heavier than they are.
B. B for bear. Bear. Bears have a great sense of smell. They can smell food from very far away, even better than dogs.
C. C for cat. Cat. Cats clean themselves with their tongues. They lick their fur to keep it nice and clean.
D. D for dog. Dog. Dogs wag their tails to say hello. When a dog wags its tail, it's usually happy to see you.
E. E for elephant. Elephant. Elephants have huge ears. They use them like fans to cool themselves down.
F. F for fish. Fish. Many fish are covered in little shiny plates called scales. Scales protect them and help them swim smoothly.
G. G for giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the whole world. They can reach the leaves way up in trees.
H. H is for horse. Horse. Horses have big, beautiful eyes that help them see almost all the way around them.
I. I for iguana. Iguana. Iguanas love to sunbathe. They are cold-blooded, so they need the sun to warm up.
J. J for jaguar. Jaguar. Jaguars have cool spots called rosettes on their fur. It helps them hide in the jungle.
K. K for koala. Koala. Koalas are actually marsupials, just like kangaroos. That means baby koalas grow in their mommy's pouches.
L. L for lion. Lion. Lions are called the king of the jungle, but they mostly live in grassy plains called savannas.
M. M for monkey. Monkey. Some monkeys have long tails that they use like an extra hand to swing from tree to tree.
N. N is for narwhal. Narwhal. Narwhals are called unicorns of the sea because the males have a long, spiral tusk that looks like a unicorn's horn.
O. O for owl. Owl. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around. This helps them see everything, even behind them.
P. P for penguin. penguin. Penguins walk with a funny wiggle called a waddle. It looks like they're having lots of fun.
Q. Q for quail. Quail. Quails can fly a little, but they are really good at running away from danger. They are super speedy.
R. R for raccoon. Raccoon. Raccoons are nighttime animals. They mainly like to come out at night to explore and search for food.
S. S for snake. Snake. Snakes stick out their tongues to taste the air and smell things. It helps them know what's around them.
T. T for turtle. Turtle. A turtle shell is like a house on its back. If they feel afraid, they can pull their head and legs inside.
U. U for unicorn. Unicorn. Unicorns are imaginary creatures that look like horses, but they have one special horn on their foreheads.
V. V for vulture. Vulture. Vultures have very strong stomachs, so they can eat things like rotten meat and not get sick.
W. W for walrus. Walrus. Walruses have long pointy teeth called tusks. Both male and female walruses have tusks.
X. X for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. X-ray fish have special skin that's almost clear. You can see their little bones inside, like a real X-ray picture.
Y. Y for yak. Yak. Instead of saying moo like a cow, yaks make a grunting sound. That's why they are sometimes called grunting oxen.
Z. Z for zebra. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes all over their bodies. And guess what? Just like your own fingerprints, every zebra's stripes are different. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for new videos. See you soon.